Hey everyone, Jacqueline, nurse practitioner and founder of LoginClinics.com, an online telemedicine platform. Thank you for watching today. It has been a crazy week. We have gone from possibility of coronavirus to mass hysteria and people preparing for a hurricane. They're buying the toilet paper, the paper towels, the hand sanitizer, the isopropyl alcohol, all off the shelves, and none of it is left for people that actually maybe have run out and don't even have a roll left in the house. So just wanted to let everyone know that there's no need to panic. We can stay calm. There are things that we can do to prepare and protect ourselves. So the first that I would recommend is getting a lot of sleep. Make sure that you have enough sleep, that you're not sleep deprived. If you're sleep deprived, your immune system goes in the tanker. Second, make sure that you're eating a well-balanced diet, foods that are rich in amino acids and vitamins, so nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Next is to make sure that you do take some supplements. So a multivitamin is great, but also what's even better is loading up on the vitamin C, on the echinacea and the elderberry, things that are known naturally to boost your immune system. The CDC does have some recommendations for ways that you can protect yourself, and I'm going to go over them. The first one is that if you are to cough or sneeze, you're to do it into a tissue, and then you're immediately to throw the tissue out. If you don't have a tissue, you can use your elbow to sneeze into. And then after that's done, what you want to do is go and you want to wash your hands. And the proper protocol for washing your hands is using warm water with soap and doing it for at least 20 seconds. If you do not have that with you, the soap and the water, you can use a hand sanitizer, but you need to make sure that the hand sanitizer has at least 60% isopropyl alcohol in it. There are other times throughout the day that you should wash your hands. So after you've been working a lot, touching countertops, surface areas, you should wash your hands. Before eating, after you cough or sneeze, and just, throughout the day intermittently. You don't need to be obsessive about it. Number 3, don't touch your mouth, your nose, or your eyes with your hands. Okay, that's very important because that's how you spread what you've picked up from the counter or from the handshake or whatever to your respiratory tract. Number 4, don't shake hands. I know I just said handshake, but don't shake hands. Some might even question the fist bump. I don't really know. You're still kind of touching. So probably maybe like the shoulder bump or the elbow bump or the eye wink or the head nod or something like that. Number 5, avoid close contact with anyone who is sick. And by close contact, we mean within 6 to 8 feet. So if you're in the same room with somebody that's sick and you're that close, you're too close. Next, you want to clean and disinfect any surface that comes into in contact with a lot of hands. So countertops, door handles, faucets. What about masks, you might ask? I know there's lots of questions about masks, and at this point in time, even despite the global epidemic, the CDC is recommending against face masks for protection. And finally, I wanted to talk to you about a new widget that is coming to LoginClinics.com in the next week. So people are confused about what is the difference between the flu virus, the coronavirus, and just a common cold. It's very hard for the average person to differentiate between that, which is why we rely on medical providers. You just simply go to my website, answer some questions, and it's a little bit algorithmic, but it'll spit out for you what you are to do next. No need to panic, no need to go buy out all of Costco's toilet paper. Just stay calm, disinfect, good hand hygiene, stay away from sick people, cover your mouth, use your elbow, no handshakes, and you should be good.